Yes, I am. And,
Shukri, to tomorrow, New Zealand is the big grayscale release of Bitcoin. We have a market that we're looking to, the market that's been, just crawling down in anticipation of this. We've got another pretty big day on Monday, Tuesday, New Zealand, I guess, for that stuff. What's your thoughts? What's the week ahead hold? I think Bitcoin at the moment about 131, about 31,700.
yeah,
Not at its best. What are your thoughts?
not doing anything, which is good. So there's the schedule of the unlock. So everyone's now waiting for August. So are we. So the fact that it's done nothing is good, because I think next week depends on the S&P 500. What do we do in the stock markets? What are the concerns about inflation? S&P fell on Friday. Okay, what's going to happen this week? And I was worried that Bitcoin will fall, and then the S&P will fall next week. Then we'll have a double fall. But this is good with Bitcoin not going anywhere. Now, what you do not see is today a lot of the smaller altcoins are moving. So it seems like, the speculators have come back into the market now. So I think we'll just have to wait a couple more days to see what happens. Now, that's on the Bitcoin part. On the Malaysia part, since we're talking about COVID here, okay, we've been through some bad times. We had a high of 13,000 on, was it Thursday? And then we had 12,000 on Friday and Saturday. And when we had 12,000 cases, they relaxed the ruling. So I can do a lot of things starting tomorrow, which is kind of weird. But I think we're following the UK method. We're focusing more on vaccination. So I think that will bring more cheer to the Malaysian people, because people are complaining you can't do anything. There are hungry people, we can't work. So now they're ramping up the vaccination, and the good thing is people are going there, and we have to just learn to live with it. There's no point in counting the number of cases every day. And today it went down to 10,000. So it's still scary out there, but I think that's good. We have to learn to live with it. Now, another thing that's happened that's also related to Bitcoin and blockchain is this. There's something going on here. I'll only know like tomorrow. There seems to be a case here, or rather some kind of scandal, that NGOs, non-governmental organizations, are taking donations and are misusing the money. And I think this is where blockchain and cryptocurrencies can play the role. So I'm looking more towards that, like people want to do good. But what happens to the money that you donate? There are big question marks here. It's gone totally viral. Like everyone's like attacking everybody now, because in these bad times, people want to know, hey, if I am sacrificing and giving money to something, I want to see where that money goes. And this goes to this, Paul. How many, the guys who are taking the money, it's even got to, how much percentage are you taking to run the organization?
Shukri, cryptocurrency this week, what's going to happen?
This week, it's more on the following the S&P 500.
So if S&P goes up, crypto goes up, S&P goes down, crypto goes down, and the grayscale release tomorrow is not too big a deal for you at this stage?
No, it's not. I think it's going to follow the S&P 500 now. It's just changed now, waiting to break down, or even if it breaks up, it doesn't, I don't think it does anything. That's why I've drawn this out until mid-August. I don't think we can do anything until mid-August.
Cheers, Shukri. Thank you very much. Much appreciated.